What's good, YouTube? It's the OG back with another video. If you want to call it Christmas Eve unboxing or whatever, you know, happy holidays to each and every one of you guys, right? And I just got this in and I want to share it with you real quick. And if I don't see you guys or do another video, Happy New Year's, you know what I'm saying? So let's get off into this unboxing real quick. This how it came. You see. Yep. Let me. Oh boy. Post. These are a pair of boots. For those that know me, know I love my boots, right? I got several pairs of them. This is 12D. Yep. Let's check it out. Hold tight. Oh yeah, I like these. Snip toe. Soft leather. Oh yeah, these are nice. These are nice. Yeah, I fuck with the boots. Heavy, man, heavy. I got a pair upstairs. I wore a hole in it, you know? For those that don't know, I used to have horses. You know, I used to do the cowboy thing. Shit, I'm still into it. My money get right and give me some more horses. But anyway, enough of that. Let's move this out the way. These the boots. Nice ass boot right there. That's a nice boot. Let me take this off. These are slick. Oh yeah. Yep. It's the inside of them. Well, there you have it. And like I said, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's to those that believe in it, and you know, enjoy yourself. Do you. It's the OG, and I'm going to get up out of here. Peace.